Hello, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at CPR Medical. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the PRESTAN Professional Adult Series 2000 Mannequin with advanced feedback. I would like to note that this mannequin is fully compliant with the current American Heart Association guidelines, as well as the Heart and Stroke Foundation of Canada's 2021 guidelines. So, what's in the box? Your mannequin will come in a nylon carry bag with a dual zipper system and handles for easy transport. Inside the bag, you will find the mannequin, a 10-pack of ventilation lung bags, the Series 2000 instruction sheet, and a color ID label sheet to easily identify your mannequins. For video viewing purposes, I have removed the plastic that your mannequin's head and torso will come wrapped in. The ventilation lung bags feature the same easy-to-install PRESTAN design with the addition of a breath sensor, which will provide feedback regarding ventilation through the PRESTAN CPR feedback app. The Series 2000 mannequin can be used with regular adult lung bags, however, you will not receive ventilation feedback through the app. The instruction manual features step-by-step instructions on how to set up your mannequin, how to navigate the PRESTAN CPR feedback app, ventilation lung bag installation, warranty information, and a helpful troubleshooting guide. You will also find a color ID label sheet, which will help you to easily identify your mannequins if you are training with multiple mannequins or students at a time. Last but certainly not least is the Series 2000 mannequin. This mannequin is available in medium and dark skin tones and in singles or 4-packs. To attach the head, gently lift up on the tabs that are located in the shoulder area of the mannequin and slide the head into place. The rate monitor is located on the back left-hand shoulder area of the mannequin, and the lights will shine through the front shoulder area. I would like to note that the rate monitor is powered by 2 AA batteries, which are not included and will need to be purchased separately. To insert the batteries, gently open up the cover of the rate monitor and insert the batteries as shown on the diagram. For more in-depth videos regarding the PRESTAN Professional Adult Series 2000 Mannequin, feel free to check out our YouTube channel. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to us directly and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.